In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to render your videos inside of Filmora. It is super simple to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Filmora project like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go up to this green icon up here in the right hand corner that says export. Then from here, this picture will be popping up. And as you can see here, there's local, there's device, there's social media, and there's DVD. So the local one is a more advanced version of rendering and exporting your videos, while the device is more simpler use for any new beginner video editing. Social media is pretty self-explanatory. It's YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Vimeo, where you can directly upload it from Vimeo to that specific platform. Or the DVD is where you can burn the video file into a DVD. But let's just go over the normal beginner-friendly way. So go over to device. Then from here you can rename your file if you want to do that. Then from here you can save it to. You can add a preset if you want to do that. You can either default or custom. And you can click the settings here and choose whatever you want to for your specific project. Then from here you can also change device. You can change all of these buttons here. You can change the quality of the video if you want to do that. Personally, I recommend doing either recommended or higher. The resolution, of course, also pretty self-explanatory. Frame rate, and you can either enable GPU accelerated video encoding or not if you want to do that. Then from here, you simply need to click the export button. And as you can see here, because I have the free version, I can only do it with this beautiful watermark right here. But if you have purchased Filmora, you can click export directly and it will export the videos with no watermark and everything like that. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!